All roads lead to World Cup night. Set to run. Racing to the best line of the night. Walk of Stars fast out off the inside. Desert Wisdom pressing forward. First Constitution. Also up there as well, Mimi Kikuchi. Franz Strauss is going to have an opportunity to slot in as these two gaps appear here between these two groups. Kavekhan sticks to the inside, followed by Clapton, spotting the lead 6 as they work off past the mile. Then came Celtic Prince, followed there by Made in Dubai. Military Law third to last. Atletico El Colano and Everfast have each other for company here at the back. 20 lengths top to tail here, and First Constitution injects more tempo. 8.52, 19.26 as they work their way along the back here past the 1200 metres. First Constitution leads by 3. Walk of Stars second. Desert Wisdom third, sliding up the inside. Kavekhan slides off the running rail and starts to make an improving run here from Franz Strauss, is outside. Then came Made in Dubai, getting on their back out wide was Clapton, followed there by next in turn, working along there Mimi Kikuchi, just attached at the moment from this first group, being pushed along with Celtic Prince. Then came Military Law from Atletico El Colano and Everfast. So two groups of runners make their way past the 750, and Walk of Stars leads them at good sections. Kavekhan up into second. First Constitution, the first to be scrubbed along here. Franz Strauss makes a looping run. Clapton starting to loom into the race. Desert Wisdom was next, followed there by Made in Dubai, who's now dropping away here. Best of the rest was Military Law. Atletico El Colano still within striking distance as they make their way into the straight here in the Al Maktoum Challenge, and it is Kavekhan up on the outside here of Walk of Stars, who starts to lengthen now. Clapton with the job to chase down the Russian. Then came on the inside, working up into it Franz Strauss. Desert Wisdom fighting for minor placings here though, but the Kazakhstani, the Russian, he's off. Kavekhan, he has got the Al Maktoum Challenge sewn up here. Kavekhan continues his undefeated streak here in the Middle East. Wins by 5 lengths. Franz Strauss second, photo